Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Losing a tooth or having a tooth break is a very common problem, but just like when our hair falls out, new hair grows back. We get new hair. In the same way, a new tooth can also grow. This is a huge achievement. You'll be free from a lot of things like dentures, the plastic false teeth, which are so big and awkward to put in and take out of your mouth. Dental bridges for which you have to grind down the neighbouring teeth, even though they're perfectly fine. Dental implants for which your bone has to be drilled. And if you're diabetic and it's not under control, or if you have any bleeding disorder or any such illness, then you can't drill into the bone and you can't get an implant. So the best option is always the natural one. And that option is to grow a new tooth, to make a new tooth. And that too with just a simple injection. With the help of a certain medicine, your tooth will start to grow upwards again. So this is a huge achievement which has been proven by Japanese research. A Japanese doctor started working on this in 2005, and by 2025, 90% of the work has been completed. The steps involved start with laboratory experiments on animals, first on rats and then on ferrets. The advantage of using ferrets was that their genetic makeup is quite similar to humans. That was successful as well. After that, human trials are now underway, and they are proven successful too. By 2030, this medicine will be widely available on the market, and you'll be able to get it from anywhere and regenerate your teeth. This is a huge achievement in history because no one had ever researched in this direction before. No one had even thought about it, and even those who tried weren't successful. But the Japanese have accomplished this task after 20 years of tireless effort, and this is a huge achievement for you, a great blessing for you. Basically what happens is that your baby teeth come in first, they start at 6 months, and by 2.5 years all 20 baby teeth are complete. After that, your permanent teeth come in at the age of 6, and by the age of 12 they're all complete. Your wisdom teeth come in at Eileen. After that, normally you don't get any new teeth. If a tooth breaks, gets decayed, or is broken due to an injury, then you have to get an artificial tooth in its place. But when the Japanese looked into it, they found that inside your jawbone there was a third tooth as well, a third dentition, which was being held back by a special gene. Just like someone is tied up with a rope and cannot come up, in the same way, this gene had it tied down. This gene is called USAG1. Uterine sensitive is a special gene that keeps the tooth tied down and does not let it grow upwards. The main purpose of this medicine they've developed is to block this gene. When we block this gene and we've created an antibody against it, the rope is loosened and the tooth starts to come up. So it's a really simple method. Your whole problem will be solved with the help of a simple medicine. This will especially solve the problem for those people who are born without teeth, a condition called anodontia. They don't have any teeth from birth and have to spend their whole lives using dentures or false teeth, or if they want implants, they need to have artificial bone added, which becomes very difficult for them. So this is a very significant breakthrough, but you'll have to wait another 5 years for it. When it hits the market in 2030, you'll be able to easily get it done and have brand new teeth. You'll be able to regrow your teeth, and you won't have to deal with artificial teeth anymore because they can cause all sorts of problems. Like sometimes the removable tooth can slip down your throat. It's made of plastic so it can break. It can cause ulcers in your mouth, and it can poke you in different places. Then, if you get a bridge, you might experience sensitivity and it can lead to severe pain. If you get an implant, it can get infected and the bone can get damaged. So now there's a solution for all these problems, which will be easily available to you by 2030. A new tooth, the bio-tooth. Your new natural tooth will be grown. So keep smiling, just keep on smiling brightly and look forward to the year 2030 when a brand new tooth will be ready and waiting there for you. Thank you very much.